Hello, my name is Danang Maulana Sanjaya. I hear a presentation about financial ratio analysis of share price in transportation companies listed on the Indonesia Stock Exchange. Abstract. In this increasingly competitive era, companies are required to be able to continue to survive and compete in the midst of an increasingly competitive market situation due to an increasingly advanced economy. To determine which company share to buy and when to make a sale or purchase, transportation investors need to conduct a securities analysis. This study aims to analyze the effect to return on asset, debt to asset ratio, current ratio, and total asset turnover on stock price in transportation companies listed on the Indonesian Stock Exchange for the 2017-2020 period. Chapter 1 Background. In this increasingly competitive era, companies are required to be able to continue to survive and compete in the midst of an increasingly competitive market situation due to an increasingly advanced economy. Companies must be able to be innovative, adaptive, and improve their performance well in order to survive in this competitive situation. Transportation is one of the fields that can help increase economic development, especially in Indonesia. The importance of the transportation system is evident from the increasing need for transportation service to facilitate the movement of people and commodities at home and abroad, and to serve as a hub for regional growth and development. Purpose: know the effect of return of asset on stock price in transportation companies listed on the Indonesian stocks. Know the effects of the debt to asset ratio and stock price in transportation companies listed on the Indonesian stock. Know the effect of the current ratio on stock price in transportation companies listed on the Indonesian stock. Know the effect to total asset turnover on stock price in transportation companies listed on the Indonesian Stock Exchange for 2017 to 2020. Chapter 2 Literature Review. Destination of stock. According to Musdalifah, share can be defined as a thing of participant or ownership of individual investor on institutional investor or trader in their investment or a number of funds invest in a company. Stock types. Stock are the most popular and widely known securities in the community. According to Darmaji, there are several types of share, namely in terms of ability to collect right. Shares are divided into common stock is a stock that places the owner at the lowest in the distribution of dividend and right to the company asset in the company and liquidate. Preferred stock is a stock that has the characteristic of a combination of bonds and common stock because it can generate fixed income but also cannot bring the result desired by the investor. Understanding financial ratio analysis. According to Harry, defines financial ratio as comparison between one post and another, which of course had a relevant and significant relationship of the relationship. Types or financial ratio. Number 1, profitability ratio, solvency ratio, liquidity ratio, activity ratio. Chapter 3, research method. Research category. The research category used by the node in the preparation of this is quantitative research or descriptive methods. This method provides an overview to compare the reality that occurs with the existing theory in order to obtain a complete and accurate description of a problem-based analysis. Data collection technique. In this study use secondary data. Secondary data is data obtained indirectly or data has been obtained for other parties. The data in this study were obtained by the following data collection methods: literature study and documentation. Chapter 4, discussion. Based on the result of statistics and multiple linear regression testing about the effect of return on asset, debt to asset ratio, current ratio, total asset turnover have the significant positive effect to on stock price, with the object of research being transportation companies listed on the Indonesian Stock Exchange for the period 2017-2020. The results obtained are as following: the effect of return on asset on stock price, the effect of debt to asset ratio on stock price, the current ratio on stock price, the current of total asset turnover on stock price, effect of return on asset, debt to asset ratio, current ratio, total asset turnover on stock price. Chapter 5, conclusion. Presentation conclusion from the result of the analysis and discussion in the previous chapter, and will be presented on several suggestions that are expected to be useful for company and other parties. Obtained are as follows: from the result of partial analysis, that return on asset has a significant influence on stock price in transportation companies listed on the Indonesian Stock Exchange. Thus, the management of company asset in efficient, so that these assets are able to generate company profit. The big one from the result of a partial analysis that the debt to asset ratio had a significant effect to stock price in transportation companies listed on the Indonesian stock. Thus, it has an effect on increasing the amount of company asset financed by debt. Companies must pay attention to factors that affect GAR and stock price. From the result of a partial analysis, the current ratio has a significant influence on stock price in transportation companies listed on the Indonesian stock. The company is considered capable of paying off obligation that will mature on time. From the result of partial analysis, that total asset turnover has a significant influence of stock price in transportation companies listed on the Indonesian stock. The company is considered capable of paying off obligation that will mature on time, so that it will increase the confidence for investors to invest their share, and later there will be an increase in stock price. From the result of the simulation analysis and return on asset, debt to asset ratio, current ratio, total ratio, turnover have a significant influence of stock price in transportation companies listed on the Indonesian Stock Exchange for the period 2017-2020. And thank you for attention and see you.